I would like to introduce for you the 674, the latest addition to the 6 Series range and our most compact 3-deck model. Developed for small and medium-sized operators and especially contract crushers and hire companies. The machine can be fed by excavator, shovel and mobile crushers for open and closed loop applications. At the heart of the machine is the new ultra-efficient 12x5 3-deck screen. This has a shared heritage from our industry-leading 683. Also incorporated is the next generation L folding side conveyors. These allow for the fourth product to be a 2-stage fold by lowering and swivelling the conveyor. In common with our existing 3-deck models, we have carried across the versatile fourth product swivelling and height adjustment. This allows the operator to accurately discharge the oversized material. Another new feature on the plant is the updated hopper and belt feeder. These updates give the improved material flow, and this feeder design will be incorporated on all our future screen developments. The variable screen angle has a total screening area of 170 square feet. A combination of quick wedge tensioning, convenient access holes and hydraulic tensioning on the bottom deck ensure mesh setup times and change-out times are kept to a minimum. All this is done from the fixed catwalks, which give all-round screen access. As with all Terex Finlay crushers and screeners, there is excellent all-round maintenance and serviceability access. This is a key design principle with the aim of keeping downtime to a minimum.
Terex Finlay are now developing a new range of small 3-deck screens because the marketplace has been asking for a number of years now for a machine that would complement the very successful 683 12x5 double-deck screen that we've been using for a number of years. We've been prototyping and testing the new 674, which has been proved in many other applications. Today we're trying it in the quarrying application and we've been speaking to customers. It's been a very successful start to the testing, and we're hoping now to move on, and this machine will soon be going into production, and then we can move forward and go into different marketplaces where we haven't been able to penetrate in the past because the machines have been too big. This is ideal for small quarrying and landfill operations and various other aggregates and soil applications.
Work for all construction, about 20 odd year now, so I've been in plant with screens, various different screens. This new screen we've got here, it seems to be the job for us at the minute. It's doing a lot of different products. We've always run 683s, but this one seems to be a better screen altogether for various sizes. The benefit of the fourth belt is we get extra products for our customers.
The development of this unique model for the market is a direct consequence of us listening to our customers. We have been delighted with the performance of this machine over its extensive testing period. The machine has worked in quarrying, recycling, construction and demolition, topsoil and sand and gravel applications.